eAHORA, also known as eAHORA X5 foldable electric bike. Fun times to come. The description is as follows: an electric folding bike with a powerful 750 watt motor and battery, easy to stow, and a last-ditch vehicle designed to be durable and compact. Cast rims can handle more weight. The folding e-bike comes complete with fenders, a sturdy rear rack, 20-inch fat tires, and a battery-integrated LED. According to the website about the motor, it is the most powerful 750 watt high-speed brushless rear hub motor. The motor offers 1000 watts of peak power for all of your on and off-road adventures. Equipped with the fastest fat tire electric bike in the neighborhood. It reads, a great shock absorber is an important part of any e-bike, and the aluminum alloy travel shock absorber front fork provides excellent comfort and control, which helps to reduce bumps when riding on different terrains, giving you a level of comfort and control that is unmatched. About the battery, it reads on a 48 volt 15 amp battery. Charging time is about 4 to 5 hours each time. The battery can work 30 to 35 miles in pure electric mode and 60 to 65 miles in pedal assist mode. The removable battery is hidden in the center of the frame with a quick release lock. The frame is a 17.5-inch high-grade rust-proof aluminum alloy frame. The brakes are 160mm front and rear mechanical brakes. Tires are 20 by 4-inch CSTs. Suspension is aluminum alloy shock, lockable front. Says the transmission is Shimano RD-TZ31A 7-speed plus a Shimano SL-TX50-7R thumb shifter. The freewheel is a Shimano TZ5007. It's a 7-speed. The saddle says it's leather. The max speed is about 28 miles per hour. I weigh about 170 pounds, and on this thing I was able to go between 33 and 35 miles an hour on full throttle. It's definitely more robust than the other foldable bike that we have here, the Electric XP Lite. And watch out for new uploads with this X5. So continue to subscribe. Have fun, stay well. Ciao, friends.